Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add audio to your Canva video in just a few steps. So first, you have to open your video project. Now go to the audio option. Here you will see there are lots of audio tracks available. If you have Canva Pro, then you can use the Pro one available. But if you don't have it, just click on the music free tab and here you will see there are lots of video you can use for free. So select any of this and after that you just have to drag it and drop onto the timeline. Adjust the audio according to the video length, and if you want to make any adjustment like to increase or decrease the volume or to fade in or fade out, and after that click on the play button to preview it at once. And if you find everything's perfect, then hit on the share button to download it. Adding audio in Canva is super easy and quick. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.